Hi everybody, how y'all doing this afternoon? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, to all my Windows users out there. I'm kind of frustrated myself, but it is what it is. Microsoft has decided to end the life of Windows 10 on October 14, 2025. After Windows users had gotten so comfortable with our latest operating system, now I know this is making a lot of Windows users upset right now, but this is what we should expect from Microsoft luring consumers in after years of operating system rejunked back in the past for Windows 95, Windows 98 SE, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, which we all still love and would like to bring back, from Windows Media Center, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and 8.1 Pro, to our current version, Windows 10. Microsoft Corporation cannot be satisfied with the consumer market, wishing that the corporation stop coming out with new operating system after the consumer in the US gets so comfortable with the OS that we already have. Now that we have a new OS on the rise, which is Windows 11, will make its debut to the Windows 10 users through an update towards the end of the year around holiday time, and continue its update of Windows 11 through 2022. The new OS is to be more easier to use with a lot of new features that will help you do computer tasks faster and effective. Will this be the last OS we see from Microsoft, or is the corporation out to get our money and make us spend more money in upgrading our desktops and laptops for home and office use? That's a good question right there. After we get so comfortable, after all the years of operating system we threw away, we got so comfortable with it. My main operating system I love for Windows was Windows XP. Then came along Windows 7. So I used Windows 7. I got so used to Windows 7 that you had to junk in and go to Windows 8. Windows 8 had so much bugs and issues into and errors, you had to junk that and go to the more fixable and stable version of Windows 8 Pro, 8.1 Pro. Then now Windows 8.1 Pro is towards its end of life in about 2 more years to Windows 10. Now Windows 10 got 4 more years of life, which it will go dead on October 14, 2025, to our new Windows 11. Microsoft, why? Now, after the corporation say Windows 10 was their last operating system, I guess they wasn't satisfied enough. Will this be Microsoft's last operating system, as they told consumers in the US and worldwide who use the operating system in other countries over the seas? Will this be their last operating system, or do we have to junk Windows all along and start going to Linux and distro software such as Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Lindros, Zorin, etc.? Do we have to junk Windows altogether and stop using Linux distro OS? To all my viewers out there that's watching this great video, y'all go ahead and post your comments down below. I would like to go ahead and hear from y'all about, is this going to be the last Windows operating system that comes out to consumers in the US? Go ahead and post your comments. This is very interesting here, because we all know in 2025 Windows is up. Now they're going to offer Windows 11 through an upgrade during the holiday time of 2021, and that update is going to continue through 2022. So that's a good question. To all my wonderful viewers out there, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.